This is the spiritual home of PMD. We are from this land. We are the land. We're in the third generation of this business, whose grandparents have been involved with my grandparents. They're still here, they're still involved with us. It's what we've built in that valley, it's what we've built in that area that powers us to do what we do today. All of these plantations are run by families. That's what's so special about the people of this land, is that it's their work that you're tasting in every cup of PMD.
These are the vegetatively propagated cuttings that come from the mother bushes that are grown on the estate. So every time a bush dies and they need to replant a new field, these are the bushes that will go back into the field. It's very much symbolic toward the people who live on these estates. Generation to generation you're handing down. Same thing with the tea bush.
We're trying to bring handcrafted products back to consumers who want to know where is the provenance, who makes it, who are they. Workers are putting their soul, their heart into creating a product, but they have no idea who is enjoying that product. That's what we're trying to bridge as a gap, because we have that grassroots level connection.
The sun was beating down on me, and quite frankly, I couldn't bear it.
It's hard work. It's really hard work. There is a lot more respect that goes to a cup of tea and the people behind it. There is. On our side, let me tell you, there is.
This is only 10% of the work. Just imagine when you do 100%.
There is a human machine behind the cup of tea here, beyond anything else I ever thought.
Knocks it out of you. How these guys do it on a day-to-day basis, I do. I think every sip's appreciated now, as opposed to kind of just pouring it and drinking it like it just comes out of the earth naturally.
It is not just a cup of tea. It is reassuring to see that people are still producing a quality product, but I'm afraid to say possibly a dying trade.
What you're getting globally across the tea industry is a move away from hand-picked tea. We are moving more and more towards an industry where it's mechanized plucking, it's mechanized production, and you're having a beverage that has no flavor, that has no taste, that has no aroma. That for me is tea without soul.
The large multinationals are moving away from countries like this because the price is too high, but look at quality to price.
Ceylon tea gets lost in transition. It's never pure, and I think for someone like PMD to come out here, buy the leaf, put it in a bag and sell it in the UK, I think is so important.
I have a lot of optimism for where we can take this industry, and I think now this is where you'll see the biggest amount of disruption and change from the traditional model, the way that we've always told